Okay guys, so this is how to fix the clicking noise on the Sunny Health and Fitness cycling bike. This is the belt driven version. This is not the chain version, just so you guys are aware. See, belt. Anyways, to adjust this and get rid of the clicking noise, I see in some other videos they say, oh, you know what, they contacted the manufacturer and they said, no, it's probably a bent axle. I find that difficult to believe, seeing as how when you get these, they're pretty much put together for the most part. It's smaller pieces that you need to add on, like the bottom and the top and the seat. But anyways, to properly adjust and fix it, you can actually keep this entire piece on without unscrewing and undoing the axle and everything else. You can actually keep that on there. I learned that the hard way. What you'll effectively do is you're going to remove this inside piece. This piece is actually right here. Okay, it's going to be connected by those two screw holes and those two screw holes right there. So you can kind of see that. You'll pretty much see it on here, the actual main shell of it. Screw hole, and then a screw hole right here and on the bottom. So you'll be able to keep these other screws on. Those will be only a few screws you'll take off. You'll be exposing this part, this piece right here, which is going to expose this side right here. And you'll expose by taking this piece off right here, just a couple screws right there. So what I learned is that to do this properly, at least the way I did it, spent a little while, I unloosened both the left and the right bolts. I then kept these attached and I tightened these to a pretty decent tightness, so I felt it was acceptable for the belt. It was only until then that I then tightened these left and right sides. Now as far as the length and again the proper distance, I've just got a small little attachment right here, and so effectively that kind of gives me my entire length. It only allows a certain distance, so you can kind of see that kind of gives me that equal distance on both sides. And actually this isn't even equal, this goes more, so you'll have to play with it a little bit on that front and back. But ultimately, once you tighten these both, the front pulling bolts, that's when you go on the sides and adjust those, and just the slightest tweaks, the slightest turns, and you'll effectively start to play with it and kind of feel it out and see where that noise is coming from. I think what it's coming from is just it's the imbalance of, you've got the tension being pulled on this side, so it's pulling it this way, but at the same time you also have this kind of free loading on the axis right there, so it just messes with it. But ultimately, that's pretty much how you do it. Just screw it back together and you guys are all good to go. Wish you luck. If you have any suggestions, comments, things like that, please feel free to comment below the video. Wish you luck. Once again, this is for the Sunny Health and Fitness cycling bike SF-B109. Good luck, guys.